There are times we want to see the permissions or privileges assigned to a user account. There are basically two ways to do this. We can use this through the navigator panel or using SQL. So here we can type show grants for, let's say, John. And this returns all the grants or all the privileges for this user account. As you can see, John can select, insert, update, and delete data, as well as a bunch of other things like shutting down the server, creating backups, and so on. Now, if we drop the for clause, we can see the permissions for the current user. So currently I've logged in as the root. As you can see, root has the highest level of privileges, more than any other admins. Now, we can also find this information in the navigator panel. So back to our users and privileges window. Let's select John. Here under the administrative roles, you can see the roles and privileges assigned to this user. And under schema privileges, you can see specific permissions for various databases. Now, because John is an admin, we don't have anything specific here because he can access all databases. But let's take a look at the Moon app. On this app, you can see this account is only able to access the SQL Store database. And here are the privileges assigned to this user for this database. Now, if you want to make any changes here, simply select this item, make any necessary changes, and then click Apply. Next, I'm going to show you how to revoke privileges.